Good evening, all. Hello, Gokul. Guys, am I audible? Please confirm in the chat box. Please confirm in the chat box. Am I audible or not? Good evening, Manohar. Am I audible? Please confirm in the chat box. Yes, okay, fine. So let us start the session. What we were doing, people? We were doing permutations and combinations. Okay. So in that too, we were doing arrangement. What is that? We were doing arranging people. Let us finish arranging people today. Let me just clear up my board. This is from yesterday's class. Okay. Good evening, Chandana. Just a second, guys. Just give me a second. Yep. Let us start. So arranging people. First type of the questions, alternate positions. So we shall discuss now alternate positions. What kind of questions do we get in alternate positions? Observe. Observe here. Suppose if I tell you there are 3 boys, or let's say 4 boys and 4 girls. Forget about alternate positions. How many ways can we arrange them? Can anybody answer? No condition. 4 boys, 4 girls. How many ways we can arrange them? Assume that number of chairs are equal to 8. Whenever the number of chairs are or number of places are not given, assume them they are equal to number of people. So here 4 boys, 4 girls are there. Assume there are 8 people, 8 chairs. How many ways can we arrange them? Anybody? Anybody here? Can anyone give the answer? Can anybody give the answer? Look, yesterday we discussed about this. Check this out. Whenever there are here 4 people, 4 chairs, 4 factorial, 5 people, 5 chairs, 5 factorial, 6 people, 6 chairs, 6 factorial. Likewise, no, Chandana. There are totally how many people? 8 people are there here. 8 people means we can arrange them in 8 factorial ways. How many ways we can arrange them? 8 factorial if there is no condition in the question. But here we want in alternate positions. So first let us check one possibility of alternate position. How can we make them set? Girl, boy, girl, boy, girl, boy, girl, boy. So now they are in alternate positions. Observe here. Now girls must sit in only these places. They cannot change. Now 4 girls are there, 4 places are there. So they can sit in 4 factorial ways. 4 girls. So they have to sit in only those places. So they can interchange among themselves. 4 girls, 4 chairs, 4 factorial. Again, boys must sit in only these places. Again, 4 boys, 4 places. Again, they can be arranged in 4 factorial ways. So girls 4 factorial ways and means multiplication. Boys 4 factorial ways. This is one method. Another way. Or look here. Here the first position is occupied by girls. But the first position can be occupied by boys as well. So what can I write there? I can start with boy, girl, boy, girl, boy, girl, boy, girl. Now observe. Again, for girls, exactly 4 places they can sit in 4 factorial ways here. And boys, for them 4 boys 4 places, they can rearrange among themselves in 4 places, and boys 4 factorial. Now in between or we have, or means what, plus. So what do we get altogether? 2 times 4 factorial into 4 factorial is my final answer. Am I clear with this? Did you understand this, everyone? Please confirm in the chat box. Did you understand this? Did you understand this question? Okay, yes. Let us continue. Suppose if I tell 5 boys and 5 girls, you give me the answer. 5 boys and 5 girls. Anybody? How many ways I can arrange 5 boys and 5 girls? Anyone, anyone, anyone? Very similar to previous case. That's all. Perfect, Chandana. What do we get? 2 times 5 factorial into 5 factorial. Suppose if I tell 6 boys and 6 girls, what will be the answer? 2 times 6 factorial into 6 factorial. Pretty simple. Now suppose if I tell you 3 boys and 4 girls, tell me the answer now. 3 boys and 4 girls. Anybody answer for 3 boys and 4 girls? Three boys and 4 girls. What will be the answer? Google. Perfect. It is only 3 factorial into 4 factorial. We don't get 2 cases. Why? Understand this point. Look, we don't get 2 cases here, Chandana. Careful. Darshan, right answer. Gokul, right answer. Observe. Why? I'll tell you. Suppose if I try to make boy sit in the first position, boy, girl, boy, girl, boy, girl. 3 boys, 3 girls are done. One extra girl is there. She must sit in the first position only. Why she must sit in the first position? Because if I make a boy sit in the first position, we will lose the alternate position there. So whenever the difference between boys and girls is 1, what do we get here? The answer as, check this out. Girls can be arranged, boys can be arranged in 3 factorial and girls can be arranged in 4 factorial. Here we do not get 2 cases. We do not get 2 cases. Why we don't get 2 cases? Because girl must sit in the first position, boy cannot sit in the first position. Look at next question. Tell me answer for this. 4 boys and 4 girls. 4 boys and 4 girls. Now you tell me what will be the answer. 4 boys and 4 girls. Anybody? Yeah. I'm sorry. Yeah, that is right answer. 2 times 4 factorial into 4 factorial. Yeah. Rather than that, suppose if I take 4 boys and 5 girls. Here we'll get only one case. What is the answer? 4 factorial into 5 factorial. Suppose if I say 5 boys, 6 girls, it will be 5 factorial into 6 factorial. Now observe. Suppose if I ask you 3 boys and 5 girls, tell me answer for this. 3 boys and 5 girls. 3 boys and 5 girls. Anybody? Anyone? 3 boys and 5 girls. Chandana, right answer. Not possible. Gokul, not possible here. Why not possible here? Why not possible? Observe. If I try to arrange them, look here, boy, girl, boy, girl, boy, girl. Three boys, three girls are done. If I make one girl sit here, still one more girl will be left over. We don't get alternate position. So answer is 0 ways. How many ways we can arrange them? 0 ways. So now understand. So equal number of boys and girls. If we have equal number of three cases we got here, equal number of boys and girls, and we'll get difference between boys and girls, difference between boys and, let me write here, difference between boys and girls is 1, and if difference is more than 1, difference is more than 1. So what do we get here? Whenever there are equal number of boys and girls, we will get two cases. Here we will get only one case. Here 0 ways, it will be the answer. So this is how we deal with the alternate position. Am I clear with the alternate position, everybody? Am I clear with the alternate position? Please confirm. Please confirm, everyone. So that we'll go to the next point, that is sitting together, boys sitting together. Next concept will be boys sitting together. Observe. What will be the question? Look, suppose if I have very similar question, I have three boys and three girls. How many ways we can arrange them such that all the boys should sit together? All boys should sit together. Let me take one arrangement and it will show you first. Look, girl, 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 boy, 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 or girl, girl, boy, 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 girl, or girl, boy, 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 girl, girl. Observe here. In all the cases which I wrote, here, no Gokul, you cannot get four ways. Boys should always sit together. Look at them. They're always together. They're always together. So what happens? Answer. Observe. Consider boys as one unit. Consider here in these type of questions, you must always consider boys as one unit. What happens then? If you see 1 unit of boys and 3 units of girls, totally 4 units, we can arrange them in 4 factorial ways. Now we can take that also, Darshan. We can take that also. I just took a few examples, that's all. Yeah, that is also right way. That is also right way. Still there are many cases will be there. Many cases will be there. But I took only few examples to show you here. That's all. Okay. Now observe. So totally 3 girls and 1 unit of boys. So totally 4 units, 4 factorial, and we are not yet done. Now look here, suppose if I call them boys 1, 2 and 3, boys cannot go out of the group. But within the group, they can rearrange among themselves. 3 boys in 3 places, they can rearrange them in 3 factorial ways. So my answer will be 4 factorial into 3 factorial. Observe another example. Suppose if I say 4 boys and 4 girls. What do we do? Consider all boys as one unit. Girl, 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 boy, 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 boy. Consider all boys as one unit. So 4 girls plus 1 unit of boys will make 5 units, 5 factorial. So we can arrange boys among themselves. That will be 4 boys, 4 factorial is my answer. Let me take some other examples again. Suppose if I take 5 boys, 5 girls. So what is happening? Consider all boys as one unit. 5 girls plus 1 unit of boys will be what? 6 units, 6 factorial. Still we have to rearrange the boys among themselves of 5 factorial ways. Suppose if I tell 4 boys, 8 girls, what happens? Consider all boys as 1 unit and 8 units of girls. 8 plus 1, 9. 1 unit of boys and 8 units of girls. 9 units, 9 factorial. Still we have to rearrange boys. 4 boys of 4 factorial ways. Suppose if I take, let's say 7 boys and 3 girls. You tell me, final answer. 7 boys, 3 girls. What should be the answer? 7 boys and 3 girls. Answer. Final question, anybody? Perfect answer. No, Manohar, check out Manohar, Darshan. Wrong answer, wrong answer. Chandana, right answer. 3 girls plus 1 unit of boys. 4 units of 4 factorial. Still boys can be arranged in 7 factorial. 4 factorial into 7 factorial is the right answer. Consider boys as 1 unit because they have to sit together. So they are 1 unit, girls 3 units. 3 plus 1, 4 factorial. But still we have to arrange boys alone. Boys alone means that is how much? 7 boys, 7 factorial, and that has to be my answer. Am I clear with this concept? Am I clear with this? All boys sitting together. Did you understand? Shall we go to the next type? Yes? Okay. So next concept in the same arranging people. No two boys. No two boys can sit together. No two boys can sit together. Observe. Observe carefully. Slightly trickier one. People think it is alternate positions. Not just alternate positions. Suppose if I take 3 boys and 3 girls. Many people think if we make them sit in alternate position, that will be our answer. Look, that is part of the answer, that not the complete answer. Look, when I take boy, girl, boy, girl, boy, girl. Yes, no two boys are sitting together here. This is absolutely right arrangement. Alternate. But this is not the complete answer. Think about it. I can make them sit like this as well. Girl, boy, girl, girl, boy, and I'll put one more boy. This is also a legitimate arrangement. But when I take only alternate position, this will not be there in that. This will not be there in that. So that's why only alternate will not be the answer. What should we do? Understand this carefully. What we have to do here means, look, remember, if they have to sit in such a way that no two boys can sit together, means what? Between every two boys, there must be at least one girl. Between every two boys, there must be at least one girl. Then how do we arrange that? Observe. First, arrange girls. Girl, girl, girl. Let us make them sit in 3 places. 3 places. So what do we get answer here? For girls, 3 places, 3 factorial ways we can arrange them. But now, boys. What do we do with the boys? Observe. What will I do? Now I will create the places like this for boys. Now if you make the boys sit here, you make 3 boys sit in wherever you want now. They can never be together. Why? Between every 2 places, there is always a girl. So now what happens? When the first boy comes inside, he has 4 places. So he can sit in 4 ways. One of the chair is filled now. We don't know which one. Don't bother about it. When the second boy comes inside, still 3 chairs will be there. He can sit in 3 ways. When the third boy comes inside, still 2 chairs will be there. He can sit in 2 ways. This is the final answer. No, you cannot consider girl and boy as one unit, Chandana. That is a different case again. You cannot consider girl and boy as look, two girls can also sit together. Okay, observe. Let me take another example. You'll get a clear picture. 4 boys, 4 girls. If I take, what do I do? First, arrange girls. 4 girls, 4 girls. Okay, what is happening? We can arrange 4 girls in 4 factorial ways. Now, boys, between the girls, create places. How many places can be created? 5 places. When the first boy comes inside, what happens? He'll be having 5 chairs. He can sit in 5 ways. Second boy can sit in 4 ways. Third boy can sit in 3 ways. Fourth boy can sit in 2 ways. Now imagine if I give you something like this. What do I give? Let's say there are 3 boys and 6 girls. 3 boys and 6 girls. Understand carefully. First, what do? We arrange girls. We arrange girls. 6 girls we can arrange first. Okay. So what happens here again? 6 girls can be arranged in 6 factorial ways. Now we create the places between them. How many places? 7 places will be there. So when the first boy comes inside, he can sit in 7 ways. Second boy can sit in 6 ways. 6 chairs will be available. Third boy can sit in 5 ways. That will be my answer. Now, we should answer it directly without writing the positions now. Observe. Suppose if I take 4 boys and 10 girls. What can I do? 10 girls, 10 factorial ways. Now when I write places between the girls, for 10 girls will create 11 places. 11 places. When the first boy comes inside, what happens? There will be 11 places. He can be arranged in 11 ways. Second boy, 10 ways. Third boy, 9 ways. Fourth boy, 8 ways. This should be my answer. Now you answer this question. 3 boys and let us say 8 girls. You give me the answer. 3 boys, 8 girls. Let us see, can anybody give me the answer? Perfect, Chandana. Arranging boys to chairs. That is the concept. Very good. Perfect, Manohar. 8 factorial for girls into what? Perfect, Chandana. So first boy can sit in 9 ways, the second boy 8 ways, third boy 7 ways. That's all. This is how we solve this kind of question. So next, let us say, suppose if I give a question something like this. Observe. One second. Look at the question here. There are 4 families. There are 4 families. Each family has a husband. Each family has a husband, a wife, and a child. Question is, how many ways? One second. How many ways we can arrange them? We can arrange them such that every family should sit together. Every family should sit together. That is the question. Okay, observe. what is happening? There are four families. Four families. How many ways we can arrange them such that they should sit together? Observe. Let me call it as family 1, family 2, family 3, and family 4. Now what is happening? What is happening? There is a husband, wife, and a child. Here I can write it as wife, husband, child, child, husband, wife, wife, child, husband. Different. Now we have to make them sit in such a way that family should sit together. Every family should sit together. Now, first family can go to the fourth place, fourth family can go to second place, second family can come to third place, third family can go to the first place. The entire family can interchange, but the family members should always sit together. Any idea what should I do? Any idea here? What should I exactly do? Anyone? What should I exactly do? Slightly tricky question. Anyone? What should I assume? What should I assume? Consider one family as one unit. Very good. Excellent. Observe. Consider all the families as one unit. What happens? Four families, four units, 4 factorial. But family members can interchange among themselves within their group. They can interchange among themselves within their group. So first family can be rearranged in 3 factorial ways. Second family can also be rearranged in 3 factorial. Third family rearranged in 3 factorial. Fourth family also can be arranged in 3 factorial within themselves. See here, within this side I'm telling. No, Chandana, it is not 4 factorial into 4 into 3. Observe. 4 families, 4 units, 4 factorial. But husband, wife, and child within the family, they can rearrange among themselves. So that is 3 factorial. First family 3 factorial, second family 3 factorial, third family 3 factorial, fourth family 3 factorial. That is my final answer. Am I clear with this question? Did you understand this question? Everyone, please confirm. Yes? Okay. And slightly extension of this question. So that is not 4 times of 3 factorial, Chandana. That is 3 factorial power 4 it becomes. You cannot, that is 3 factorial into 3 factorial into 3 factorial into 3 factorial becomes what? 3 factorial power 4. If it is 3 factorial plus 3 factorial plus 3 plus 3 factorial, then your answer is right. You cannot multiply with 4, but you have to take power 4. Am I clear? No problem, buddy. Observe. What is happening? Same question, a slight modification, nothing else. Look, again we have same thing, 4 families. Okay, family 1, family 2, family 3, family 4. You try and give me the answer for this. What is the question? Same question, but this time every child wants to sit at the center only, between mother and father. There are 4 families. Each family has a husband, wife, and a child. How many ways we can arrange them such that every family should sit together and every child insists to sit at the center? Perfect, Manohar. Very good. That's it. Now observe what happens here. So once again, just like in the previous case, we'll consider every family as one unit. Four families, four factorial. But this time we don't change the position of the child. Every child will sit at the center only. But husband and wife, they will interchange in every family. So every first family, 2 factorial ways. Second family, husband and wife interchange in 2 factorial. Third family, 2 factorial. And fourth family, 2 factorial. That is my final answer. That is my final answer. Am I clear with this? Am I clear with this? Everybody, did you understand? This is end of arranging people. We have seen most of the types people. Okay, miscellaneous. Yeah, last two examples which we did. Okay, so this is end of the arranging people. Now the last concept will be what? The last concept will be forming words that we shall discuss in tomorrow's class, because it will be easier to discuss in the app people. Tomorrow onwards we can have the class in the app itself. As I told you, some maintenance issues are going on, that's why we are not taking classes in the app. Tomorrow onwards again we will get back to the app directly. Okay, so what is this tomorrow? For arranging words, sorry, forming words. Tomorrow's concept will be forming words. That we will see in the tomorrow's session, guys. Okay, so forming words, this will be the last topic in the permutation and combination people. That will be our 6th session. Okay, so tomorrow we will finish off with the permutation and combination. So Monday onwards we will start a brand new concept. Okay, so don't forget to take the test people. Now onwards every day you will be getting a different test, guys. Take every day at least one test. So check in the app, you will find the free test papers and take every day one test. Now the time, speed and distance tests are going on. Next will be, time and work tests will be there. After that, permutation and combination percentages. You'll get every single topic, we will get the test now onwards. Okay, so try to take as many tests as possible and check the answers as well later. So that will improve, like, check wherever you're doing wrong. Please try to correct them. If you keep on doing that, people, eventually, guys, definitely your level of problem solving in aptitude will increase. Okay, so then that will help you to crack any kind of the exam, any kind of the placement exam, people. So that is all from my side, guys. If you liked today's class, don't forget to click the like button. Click the like button, don't forget that one. Okay, sir, test is not working proper in PC. How come, Prashant? Okay, Prashant, I will check it out today. I'll get back to you tomorrow on that. I will check that tomorrow. I haven't tried in the PC. I tried in the app. I will try that tomorrow and I will get back to you tomorrow, buddy. Okay. So we shall stop here, guys. We'll continue again in our next class, that is tomorrow. So, okay, if you still did not subscribe to the channel, please don't forget, subscribe to the channel. And as well as if you like the video, if you like the class, please like the video as well before you leave. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you, Chandana. Same to you.